Hey guys, it's Cara. Welcome to the Rambutina channel. Today we are doing a Deramores yarn haul. This is my first time purchasing from them and I was watching Wendy's video, so hi Wendy, her latest Deramores yarn haul, and I could not believe the bargains that she got, so I had to check it out myself. I even commented and she replied with some recommending yarns, and yeah, she has a bunch of tips on how to save money and yeah, got all of these points and stuff. So yeah, I'll have her video linked down below so you can check it out. But yeah, let's get into the yarn haul. I'm really happy with everything I got, so I'm definitely going to be carrying on buying from Deramores because especially you get these like loyalty points. So yeah, the more you buy, the more bargains you get. So let's get into it. So the yarn that Wendy suggested to get was the Deramores Studio DK. She said this is the best you know, acrylic DK, so I picked up 5 colours because when you buy 5 balls of the same yarn you get like 5%, or that was the deal that was going on when I was purchasing from there, and then if you buy 10 balls you get 10% off, something like that. So I picked up 10 colours, I picked up 5 colours, I wish I picked up 10. So this is the Deramores Studio Anti-Pilling DK and this is in the colour Ocean. Really nice muted teal colour, I love this colour. So I got one of those, blue, I did buy 5, yes, I can see them all. Next up I got this colour, it's called Green Tea. Lovely pale green tea colour. Super nice. Oh yeah, I should tell you about the yarn. So it's 100 grams, 100% acrylic, made in Turkey, approximately 250 meters, 273 yards. They suggest 5mm knitting needles and 4mm crochet hook, machine wash 40 degrees. Yeah, all the information is on this side. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's so soft, and when I bought it, worked out like 95p a ball, which is crazy. So yeah, definitely wish I bought some more, but I'm definitely going to be going on there and picking up some more when I need it, because I can see myself using these yarns for like cardigans, jumpers, blankets, so I'll definitely need to pick up some more colours. But they have so many colours on there and they're so nice. So that's the green tea colour, love that one. Then I also bought a bright green. This is in the colour Peridot. Wow, look at that, so bright green, and I actually have a Peridot ring. Can you see that? The middle one there, very cool. Oh yeah, I was going to show, because I have bright greens, but this is perfect like medium grass green. It's not too yellow, it's not too blue, it's like the perfect medium green, so I love that one. Then we got some pinks, which look like this. So the first one is Blush. Super nice pink colour. And then I also got French Rouge. And this one, sadly, there must have been like some sort of glue or tape in the packaging or something, because can you see that? It's like glue. I mean, it's fine, I can just, you know, when I'm working with it, I will just kind of take it apart and then I guess it will go away in the washing machine. I don't know what that is, it's like glue. Yeah, a bit upset about that, but I'm not too bothered. But yeah, still really happy with this yarn, and it's super soft and squidgy. Yeah, perfect for cardigans, jumpers, blankets, all soft and cozy things like that. Next up, I bought some Stylecraft Special Double Knit. I'll have all of the prices on the screen for how much I bought them, but they might be different now. So yeah, this is the Stylecraft Special Double Knit, and this is in the colour Walnut. And this yarn, so I bought 2 of these actually because Christina is making a granny square cardigan and this is the joining colour. It matches her bucket hat, which I have a tutorial on my channel. So yeah, we're doing the same colours, so I had to pick up 2 more balls of this. Oh, I've got that upside down. So yeah, this is 100 grams, 100% premium acrylic, approximately 295 meters, 322 yards, naturally anti-pilling, knits to all DK patterns, so 4mm crochet hook and needles, 30 degrees machine washable, all of that fun stuff there. Yeah, I love this yarn, and we had to get some more to match the bucket hat. This is the yarn I used in the bucket hat to join those squares for the bucket hat, so I'm gonna make it a matching cardigan. Next up, I picked up some cotton, and it is the Rico Designs Creative Cotton, and these are tiny 50-gram balls, and you have 115 meters, 100% cotton. It says 4 crochet hook and 4mm knitting needles, and they don't have shade names, which is really upsetting. They just have numbers. So this is 002, and it's a nice beige or like off-white cream colour. So yeah, I have an idea for these, so I just got one ball, so I got 5 again because it had the 5% off if you got 5, and I should have bought more than one for each colour. I only bought one because I'm not too sure if it will be enough, but I can always mix and match, or I could always buy some more. So yeah, this is the beige colour. I also got this green, which is 023, really nice pale minty green. So yeah, 50-gram balls, they're quite small. I wasn't expecting them to be this small, but yeah, really nice soft cotton as well. Like, I can't believe it's 100% cotton because it's really, really soft. It definitely feels like there's something else in there to make it soft. So yeah, definitely recommend this cotton yarn, 100% cotton. So yeah, that's the green. And then I bought a dark green, which is the number 017. I bought a blue, which is 011. Really nice sky baby blue there. And then the last one is this pink, and I really thought on the website that this was going to be a pastel pink like these, but it's quite bright, but I still like it. So this is 005. Yeah, so that's all of the cotton. I really, really love this. It's so soft. I'm definitely gonna keep on buying this for my cotton. Love it. The last 2 bits from Deramores are things that Christina picked up. So this is the Style Craft Naturals Bamboo and Cotton. I haven't seen this yarn before, and it's so soft because you've got that bamboo in there to keep it really soft. So this is 100 grams. It's in the shade Umber, and yeah, it's a really nice brown colour with like, it's really like a golden brown, which is really nice. 60% bamboo, 40% cotton, and they recommend 4mm knitting needles, 3.5 crochet hook, and you have 250 meters, 273 yards, DK weight, and it's vegan friendly. So yeah, that's a really, really nice brown colour. Then she picked up the Sirdar Snuggly 100% cotton, double knitting, 50 grams, 106 meters, 116 yards, and in the colour, oh, it just has a shade number 752, and it's a really Shrek green colour. So yeah, that's really fun. Really nice green colour. Yeah, that is everything I got from Deramores. I'm really, really happy with everything I got, so I can't wait to test them all out and use these, especially these Studio DKs. I can't wait to try these out. So yeah, that's everything from Deramores. I really, really like it, if you couldn't tell already. Next up, I popped into Pound Stretcher, and they had quite a lot of yarn in there, so we picked up some bits. I'll show you Me and Christina both got the poodle yarn. She got a few different colours and I just stuck to one colour. So I will show you the poodle yarn first. Here it is. Look how fun. It's so soft. So this is the poodle knitting yarn and they were only $2.99 each. I could not believe it. So yeah, $2.99 for 200 grams. It unfortunately doesn't say how many meters or yards there are in here. But it does say, which I find quite funny, purchase enough yarn to complete the garment as dye lots change very quickly, right? But you don't know how many meters are in there, so how are you supposed to know how much is enough yarn? I mean, all you have is that it's 200 grams, so. And they suggest 8mm knitting needles, so I don't know, with this, probably use maybe an 8 or a 10 crochet hook. And I'm picturing a really fuzzy jumper in this. Of course, a jumper. I'm always making jumpers. But yeah, oh, and this is 100% acrylic. So yeah, really like this. This is the colour. Do they have colours, please? Oh, I don't actually know. Let's compare it to another one. Where? Oh, do they not have... I cannot find anywhere a colour name or a shade name even. Well, okay, well, we'll just have to name them ourselves. So I picked up 4 of these like teal blue colours. Yeah, so, oh, does that look slightly different? Yeah, I mean the dye lots do change. I have a feeling this is one that Christina picked up. Oh no, this is the same. Can you see that this one's a bit more green and this one's a bit more grey? Well, anyway, it's not that noticeable, and I think in a jumper you won't really be able to tell, hopefully. So yeah, I got 1, 2, let's see how the others compare. 3, okay. 3 and 4. I mean, yeah, they kind of look all the same now. Interesting. But yeah, I still really like the yarn. It's so soft and squidgy. Like, look at that. Wow. So yeah, I'm happy with those. It doesn't matter that they're a tiny bit different in shade. So then Christina also picked up the purple. Oh, it's really nice actually with my turtleneck. So yeah, purple. A brighter blue. Yeah, that's very different to that, right? Yes. Yeah. So this is really bright turquoise blue, love that. And this purple, again, this is like a brighter version of this and a bit more blue. Ooh, this is like a periwinkle shade actually. So that's all the poodle yarn, and then one last bit is the two-tone chunky knitting yarn, $2.99 as well for a ball. 200 grams, again, it doesn't say how many meters. This does say it's 96% acrylic, 4% polyamide, 6mm knitting needles. Yeah, it's more like an Aran weight for medium weight, so I'd probably use a 6 or an 8, depends on the project. Yeah, look at those colours, they're so nice. And Christina picked up 2 of these and she's currently working with it at the moment. I'm not too sure what hook, maybe an 8mm hook, and she's making a giant granny square with that at the moment. So yeah, love that. My feet have gone dead now. Right, that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this yarn haul. I had so much fun picking up all these bits. I cannot believe how cheap it was. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy crocheting. Bye guys!